Respect isn't built by what you say. It's built by how you carry yourself. Most people try to earn respect through words, explaining, proving, convincing. But real respect is nonverbal, immediate, undeniable. Here are 7 ways to gain respect, without saying a word. First, control your body language. Stand straight. Move with intention. Avoid restless movements. Your posture signals confidence before you ever speak. Second, maintain calm eye contact. Not aggressive. Not avoiding. Steady eye contact shows presence, awareness, and self-control. Third, slow down your movements. Rushed actions suggest anxiety. Controlled, deliberate movement communicates authority. Fourth, be comfortable with silence. Most people rush to fill quiet moments. But silence, when held confidently, shows you're not seeking approval. Fifth, dress with intention. You don't need to be expensive, just clean, sharp, and deliberate. Your appearance reflects your standards. Sixth, don't react to everything. Someone tests you, interrupts you, or disagrees. You stay composed. Emotional control earns more respect than any argument. Seventh, and this is powerful, be consistent. Show up the same way every time. Focused, disciplined, reliable. Because respect isn't built in one moment. It's built through repeated behavior. Here's the truth. People read you before they listen to you. Your presence speaks first. Your actions speak louder. And your discipline speaks longest. You don't need to demand respect. You build it, quietly. Through control, awareness, and consistency. That's the Stoic way. Follow for more content on discipline, mindset, and mental strength. Rise as a Stoic.